FF Group presents FF Data Factory, the world's first low-code platform for collecting, analyzing, and instantly interpreting road traffic data. How does it work? Open FF Data Factory in Milestone X Protect. Add Axis cameras with the Camera app. Once you connect the cameras, you start to receive live events. FF Data Factory features In Data Factory, you can work with a huge and very fast database, which can manage up to 200 million events. The search in Data Factory is incredibly fast and very intuitive. You just type what make, model, color, plate, conduct a search, and in a second you'll have the results. If you don't know how to spell correctly, the app helps you. Every result can be matched with video from the Milestone archive, so you can verify every recognition and detail of the event. If you need to export your search results, Data Factory compiles a PDF file with all of the data, including screenshots. FF Data Factory is your new powerful platform for big traffic data collection and analysis with integration to Milestone X Protect. Choose FF Data Factory.